We got pelted.
Yes, we did.
Man. Yeah, I would say a good probably 12 inches. Lux is like buried in the snow. It's funny.
Hi. So it's snowy tonight.
You having fun, Luxie?
Yes, she is.
Yesterday was pretty crazy. We went 2 hours out to Moses Lake from here, and we're in Deer Park, by the way, in case anybody doesn't know. We're in Deer Park, Washington, just about 20 minutes north, 15-20 minutes north of Spokane. So we went to Moses Lake and picked up this coop, but we also saw a few chickens with it. Hello, honeys. Hi. Hi, baby girls. Hi, honeys. You guys okay? We got 5 laying hens. They're beautiful. Gonna check on them in a bit here. They're looking good. As far as this chicken coop, we had to drive 2 hours out, dismantle the whole thing. It had a run attached to it, so I had to dismantle it, and it was pretty much the whole thing I had to dismantle, piece by piece, to get it in my truck. And then we had, so that took a couple hours. It took a lot longer than we'd wanted it to be. And then we had to come back here, go get our son from school, come back home, rebuild this thing, and you know, everything happened so fast that we didn't even buy food or anything. So we had to go, after I was done, go buy food and more bedding for these guys, because we knew this storm was coming. So we were in such a hurry yesterday. That's why I couldn't even do any footage of the build. Just nuts. It was pretty nicely built. Nice little air vent there. This is a side cleaning opening here, and this was, of course, where we take the eggs out. There's still some stuff I want to do to it. This is the side opening for the entrance to the run. It's elevated, but I put this siding on it because that was on top of the run at that guy's house. So, you know, I just wanted to put it on the side to keep it warm, warm overnight. So that's it. I love these chickens already. They're so awesome. And they're lovely little ladies. One's a little skittish. Apparently she was, the guy, he had other chickens, but they 7 of them perished. Their dog killed them all, and 1 survived. So the one that survived is a little skittish. So she's pecking at me a little bit. All the others are so gentle and so cool. So we're extremely happy to have them. And yeah, it's just a whole new adventure right now. Are you happy to have the chicken, son? Yeah. A lot of snow, huh, son?
Yeah, we can make snowballs.
Yes.
And we can do this.
We have to take you to school still, huh?
Yeah.
It's Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Who's your Valentine?
Zoe.
Zoe? You're so funny.
And also my friend, Rich.
Cool. That's pretty awesome, man.
He's like my best partner in the whole world.
You guys are buddies, huh?
Yeah.
It's funny because his best friend is Rich and my twin brother is Richard. So little Richard and Roman are still wandering around at his school. Isn't that funny? So we're gonna get our son to school and relax today, huh? Yesterday was so stressful, getting that thing apart and putting it back together. Needed the snow kind of like
I don't
was
know how
telling
we're
me.
gonna get out. It's like a foot.
I know, it's
The
so bad.
chickens are so cool.
So we'll just keep an eye on the chickens today.
Look at the barbecue.
Yeah.
Oh my god. That is like a foot.
Yeah, pretty bad. So we had a slight change of plans, didn't we? This young fellow didn't go to school today because we couldn't make it out of the driveway. So I got my Valentine at home today, don't I? Well, I'm happy about that. And so we're just going to enjoy the day. We had a big breakfast. I made some eggs, fresh eggs off of a local farm. A good variety of eggs. They're great. So that was great. I put some kale in it, mushrooms, onions, and then we topped off with some fresh green onions after it was all cooked up. Yummy. And some bacon from a local meat store, Eggers. So that was really good. Anyway, so I want to give you the names of our chickens that we got. We got some chickens that are less than a year old, 2 of them, that are silver laced Wyandotte, also Americana, and then we got 3 others that are about a year and a half old, a red Sagitta, amber white, and barred rock. So they're all great. They're doing really, really good, and they seem to be happy. So hopefully we'll get some eggs here pretty soon. Also, I want to give a huge shout out to Bobblehead Homestead. He gave me some great subscribers, and I certainly appreciate that. Thank you, Jeff. Appreciate you so much. All your new subscribers, welcome. Glad to have you, and hope you can learn something from this channel. We've been working our tails off around here, just getting settled in and starting on getting some infrastructure down. So more stuff to come with the chickens, and then we'll get some more stuff going after that. And so stay tuned. You guys have a good day.